So welcome to part 3 of our inner voice hacks on reducing anxiety. So we have our inner voice set up. So we have our music down all the way. We're just listening to the waveform on sine. And you can also change the pattern if you'd like. We're going to keep it on Tesla 369. So after humming that we did in video number 2, you could also just use a chant like Amen. Or you can even do like a short prayer. Come, Lord Jesus. Or a short saying that you feel peaceful about. Let go, let God. So the possibilities really are endless. Stay tuned for part 4. You're going to love the next one.